Hello everyone, it's Julie from Camellia Crafts Designs. I'm just here with a quick flip through today on something I've been working on the last couple of days. I've been trying to get my stash sorted, do some unfinished projects, make room for new stuff in the new year that I may want to get. And today I'm just going to show you what I've been doing. This was going to be a mini album when I first started it, and then I just moved over to junk journaling. I came over to the dark side. Well, no, it's not the dark side, it's a different side, isn't it? So now I'm going to call it a hybrid mini album junk journal. Anyway, enough waffling. I'm going to jump straight into the little flip through. This was going to be incorporated in it before I decided to use the cinch binding, so it then wasn't the correct size. It was just going to be bound in as a little booklet. So instead it's just a separate little book that I'm going to include with this when I list it on Etsy. It's just got tea-dyed papers and it's got the button string binding, so pop that out of the way. So this little book measures, I think it's 5 by 7. Oh no, it's 5.5 by 7.5 inches. In English money, that is 14 centimetres by just over 19 centimetres. The paper collection I've used is the Graphic 45 Time to Celebrate. It's quite an old collection. I think I've had it perhaps 6 or 7 years, and I don't think it was new when I bought it. I just loved the colours of it. Really pretty. I bound the whole journal with my Cinch machine. I've not showed you that yet. I've had plenty of tutorials on Cinch machines. To be honest, they're so expensive, I wouldn't buy one again. I happened to pick mine up in a fantastic clearance sale at Create and Craft, and I don't use it enough, so I'm also trying to use products and things that I've not made enough use out of. Anyway, I'm into waffle mode again, aren't I? So as you can see, I've decorated the front with elements from the kit. I've cut down one of the cutter parts of this beautiful couple dancing. It says Time to Celebrate. I've made quite a few little flowers, got bits of pearl, bling, a little button there in the centre of that one, and I've just put a few bits of hessian behind it. So I love the cover. Let's open it up. I'm going out of shot, aren't I? The inside cover is just decorated, there's no tucks or anything. That is from the Graphic 45 kits. If you're not familiar with them, they all have what is a cover page which includes all the elements from the kit. They're designed for scrapbookers. If you were doing a 12 by 12 scrapbook, you could use that cover page as is, and it's beautiful. So I've just fussy cut this element out, popped an extra flower on, and there's a lot of faux stamps in this kit, and I've just popped a couple up on foam dots and one there flat. I've done the same here on this first page, cut a couple of elements from a page there to just jazz up this. This is like a linen cream cardstock. Inside this pocket I've done a little notebook. It's got 6 tea-dyed sheets in, so both sides you've got 12 sides to write on or put photographs on if you are going to use it as a mini album. We've then also got this little die cut envelope that I've popped in as a little extra, so they can go back in. We turn over, and on this page I've got a side tuck with one of my favourite kit papers, and inside there we have just a plain journal card, photo mat, whichever you're going to use it as, also a little one. I've left the backs plain. Then you can decide if you're going to journal, add some more paper, or add photographs. It's quite a versatile little book, this. It'll probably appeal to someone like me who loves junk journals and mini albums. Inside here we've got another tag, and I've used the little clipboard die for the top. I forget where I got that from. Is it Elizabeth Crafts? Elizabeth Crafts, I think. Right, we turn that one over and we've got quite a busy looking double spread. We've got a belly band here and just a little cut apart laid up onto some cardstock. There's one of the larger cut aparts from the kit. They're quite a decent size, these. I'll measure it. That's, yes, I think they're 6x4, yeah, which is like a standard card or journaling size. So she pops back in there. Then that comes open. Can we see this? Utch along a bit. And we've got more pockets and tags. Again, I've followed the same premise. We've got designer paper on the front from the collection, and I've left them plain on the back. Just jazz that one up a little bit with a fussy cut butterfly. More clipboard tabs. I've used the smaller one. Another tag again, plain on the back. And a couple more of the cut aparts from the kit. I'll measure the smaller ones. The size of these varies slightly depending on how close in you crop them. That's just under 3 inch by just under 4 inch, which is again 7.5 by 10 centimeters. Yeah, these have, yeah, pattern on the back, so you can put photographs on, you can cover them in paper and journal, gesso them, whatever you fancy. And the difference with these pages are, this page is made from an envelope and this is an insert, this page made from the card that will go in the envelope. Again, I have not decorated the inner part. That's for you to journal on or put photographs on, or you can even add some more paper. I will include a little pack of unused paper with this journal album thingamajig. So that's that one. Here I've got a slightly smaller page. Inside we've got, if it were a mini album it would be called a photo mat. For a junk journal it would be called a journal card. I've not double backed a lot of these things because I didn't want to make this book too chunky, because then if you do want to use it as a traditional mini album and add photographs, you're going to be adding some bulk that way, aren't you? On the front I've cut one, this cute little tag, and on the front I've put a die cut, which is the Tim Holtz slot pocket one, and I've just popped some of the little faux stamps from the kit in there. I can just imagine that layered up with some little photographs. Yeah, that'd look so cute. You could then use the stamps elsewhere in the book. I think this is the only piece of paper that doesn't come from the collection. I have no idea where it came from, but I just thought the colours went beautifully with this Time to Celebrate pack, so I used it. Right, we turned that over, and again we've got another pocket, a layered up flower, another tag slash photo mat, and a cute little die cut envelope. There's nothing in there at the moment. It fastens with a velcro tab, and I've just put an extra little fussy cut butterfly on there. Excuse me. Right, this next one, this is one of the reasons I can now call it a junk journal-ish type thing. We've got a little booklet there, look. This right hand page does have a couple of pockets. There's a kit cut apart in there. And I think I put 5 folded sheets of coffee dyed paper, which gives you 20 sides to journal on. Yeah, there you go. And that just folds back in. I've done 3 very close together score lines so that it folds over nicely and stays flat and it doesn't stick up like that. Yeah, and I've not decorated the outer part of that because that is my very favourite page from the collection. This lovely, I just love how they've made black and this lovely peachy orange and green go together. They're not colours that I would think, oh yes, I need to make something in black, orange and green. You'd think of something really bright and Halloweeny, wouldn't you, for that? If you did something. But no, we've ended up with this lovely kit with delicate flowers, and I just think it's absolutely gorgeous, this kit. They're so easy to work with, Graphic 45 papers. It's like they've done the work for you. Right, we have a page here, again just a little pocket and a cut apart from the kit. The kit is like, it just celebrates all celebrations and yeah, events. So this one does say happy birthday. So again, if you're journaling, cover it up or just leave it as it is. I just love the kit. That flips open. Are we on camera? Butch across a bit, and we've got a couple of side tucks here. This one has got this. I don't think that is actually from the Time to Celebrate kit. That could be from the Precious Memories kit, but again, Graphic 45 collections are so good at mixing and matching. That could have just been one of the Patterns and Solids packs that just matches lots of different kits of theirs. Can you tell I'm a bit of a Graphic 45 collector? I collect it, rarely use it. So yeah, there's your journal card / photo mat. I've just popped a little faux stamp there on a little foam pad, and another one of the smaller cut aparts from the kit. Little bit of layered flowers going off there. Another stamp with a fussy cut butterfly, and again a couple more cut aparts from the kit. Let's party, and that one says congratulations graduate. Pop her back in, and then this is another one of those pages that's more than a page. Yeah, again it's a card. So I've not decorated that one. You can decorate it, journal on it, put photos on it, whatever matches your idea of what this book is going to be used for. Pop that back in there. There we go. Come back down a bit. So now over to the last page. This really does show that it was intended to be a mini album. I'll undo this lovely organza bow. It's a lovely, I don't even know, it's a very, it's got a hint of peach, but it matches this kit perfectly. So that is attached under the mat, so oops, the bow isn't going anywhere. And this would just be like a little photo. They have a name, can't remember what it was. Photo, it's not waterfall. Yeah, you know what it is. Well, you'll see what it is. So yeah, just a bit of kit paper again. I think that could have been from Precious Memories again, the background, but the colours match beautifully. Fussy cut flowers from the title page, butterfly and a couple of the faux stamps. Then in here, no decoration, but you have 10 spots to use as photo mats or for any journaling you might want to do. Yep, and they flip back down and are secured again with this lovely organza ribbon. Watch my silly bow folding. Oh yes, it went well. And then we've got the back inside page. I've just put a diagonal pocket glued on 2 sides. I've just put a little bit of paper from another kit page just to break up the pattern a bit, and a little cutout there that says Time to Celebrate, and inside we have a tag and another little booklet. The tag is very plain again, tag / photo mat with the clipboard tab, and a little booklet with some lovely cream laid paper inside. So that gives you 12 sides to journal on. It is quite a heavy weight, this paper. I don't know exactly, I would guess it's about 120 GSM, so it is heavy enough to take photographs attached to them should you want to do that. So there we have it, my little cinch bound hybrid mini album junk journal. I'm going to be listing this on Etsy this weekend, Again, I don't know whether it'll be listed before this flip through goes up or after. Weekends are a little bit like I fit everything in around the kids. I've got to spend some time with them, and they're not just lodgers. So yeah, so that's going to go up on my Etsy this weekend, and I hope you enjoyed the flip through, whether you're in the market for one of these or not. So thank you all for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye for now.